Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you guys struggling with a sudden pimple just before an important day? Whether it's a job interview, a date, or just a regular workday, no one wants to wake up with acne. In this video, we'll show you a powerful homemade face pack that helps you get rid of pimples in just one day, naturally, safely, and without any expensive products. It's a recipe that combines antibacterial and anti-inflammatory ingredients that are scientifically proven to work. And yes, most of them are in your kitchen right now. So keep watching till the end for step-by-step instructions, skin science, and bonus tips for clear, glowing skin. Let's start with what you'll need. Teaspoon of sandalwood powder. Teaspoon of turmeric 1. Tablespoon of rose water or raw milk. Optional, 2 drops of tea tree oil. Sandalwood has cooling properties that reduce redness and inflammation. It's great for calming irritated skin. Turmeric is rich in curcumin, a powerful antibacterial that helps fight acne-causing bacteria while reducing pigmentation. Rose water tones the skin and reduces puffiness, while raw milk nourishes and gently exfoliates. Tea tree oil is a natural antiseptic and speeds up the healing process of active pimples. Step 1. In a clean bowl, mix sandalwood powder and turmeric. Step 2. Slowly add rose water or milk until you get a smooth, thick paste. Step 3. Add tea tree oil if using and stir well. Step 4. Cleanse your face thoroughly. Step 5. Apply the paste on affected areas or your full face. Step 6. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Step 7. Rinse with cold water and gently pat dry. No harsh scrubbing. For best results, do this at night before bed so your skin can heal as you sleep. Here's what's happening under your skin. The turmeric fights acne-causing bacteria. The sandalwood reduces the swelling and redness. The rosewater tones the skin and minimizes pores. And the tea tree oil works overnight to dry out the pimple gently without scarring. This is a gentle, chemical-free way to reduce breakouts and speed up skin recovery. Want even faster results? Here are a few pro tips. Avoid touching or popping the pimple. This causes inflammation. Use an ice cube wrapped in a tissue to reduce swelling before applying the face pack. Drink lots of water to flush out toxins. Wash pillowcases and towels frequently to avoid bacteria buildup. Always moisturize with a non-comedogenic cream after washing your face. Consistency matters. This face pack can be used 2 to 3 times a week to keep breakouts at bay. So the next time you see a pimple popping up, don't panic. Just reach for these natural ingredients and try this homemade remedy. It's gentle, effective, and free from side effects. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more DIY skincare tips that actually work. Let us know in the comments if you want a video for blackheads, acne scars, or oily skin control. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay confident, stay glowing.